All right, guys, this is cold call number 2. All right, here we go.
Hello. Thank you for calling Dooley's Heating and Air. Our hours of operation are Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Saturday by appointment only. If you have reached this recording, we are either away from the office or helping another customer. Please leave your name, telephone number, and the reason for your call.
No. So that's another lesson, guys. Don't leave a message because chances are very slim that they're going to call you back. I mean, I guess I could call them because they are a home-based service. That they would, if I left them a message to say, hey, my name is Dean, can you give me a call back? But unless I put something specific, because if it was me and I was running the business, unless I said, hey, I've got a house or an issue or a problem, whatever it is, then yeah, I wouldn't do it. So that's call number 2. I will stop this recording and get on to number 3.